Oh, you wait.
Hey!
Let me declare it. I say, I Pastor Sego taught me. Anytime I close my eyes, anytime I open my eyes, I see Nana Addo Dankwa as president of Ghana year 2013. That's my declaration.
Nana Addo Dankwa is a loser.
And everything is going to be confirmed.
And then we are going to
on Monday.
Okay, when you
they will
finish,
see
record me.
live and colored on DTV.
When you finish, record me.
And we are going to use water to revive NBC member because you know they are going to collapse.
Okay, so
this got word from Pastor Sego.
Okay.
Finish.
Good night.
Continue.
I want him to know that in the last election, everybody rooted for Nanado, and it was Nanado. All musicians were there for Nanado, but he visited the campus. And then, wait, let me finish. He visited the campus, and then this election again, he's going to visit the campus even more in a very sorrowful manner. We're going to finish him. By tomorrow, the results is going to be declared, and a prophecy that has come on. I want to see you prophesizing again, but in this case, don't remove God from that arena. I want you to say that God showed me that Nanado was going to win, and Nanado is not going to win. We are going to retire him forever, and that in that case, the Nigerian people say that we are going to retire him. Bam! In the kule.